Welcome back. So in this lecture, we are going to be setting the look of our store. In other words, we are going to be setting the theme for our store. So we're going to do that simply by starting at the back end of our Shopify, and then we're going to move down to online store, and then we're going to click on themes. Now in here, you're going to get to choose a bunch of different themes. The current theme we're using is called Dawn, and you can check that out simply by clicking on the eye right here, and you can get a look at what your current theme looks like. Now, the default theme for Shopify changes as Shopify changes. Just a year or two ago, the theme was called Debut. They're very similar when it comes to the look and when it comes to the function, but they upgraded in their backend so things load a little quicker. The images are a bit smaller. The loading speed is better, which means that you're gonna get better rankings online, you're gonna get happier customers, just a ton of benefits. Basically, going with the default theme with Shopify is always a good idea. But at any rate, the current default theme is called Dawn. And if we wanna check out something else, another theme that's in store, because you might be looking for a unique look for your specific store, you can start off by going down to where it says Theme Library, Free Themes, and then click on Explore Free Themes. Usually they have around 8 to 9 free themes that you can choose from, and these are updated consistently as well. In other words, the themes we're looking at here are probably gonna look a little bit different in a year or two, but at any rate, you're not gonna go wrong with any one of them. If you're interested in a theme such as this one that's called Crave, for example, all you need to do is click on that theme and then click on Add to Theme Library. And once it's installed, all you need to do is move over to Actions right here and then click on Preview or Publish. We're gonna go with Publish for now, just so that we can get a proper look at how it's gonna look at our store. I'm gonna click on Publish, and now this is gonna be the new theme. So this is the Dawn theme, the default theme. Now, if I update this page, we're gonna get a look at the new theme. I think this one was called Crave. So this is the new theme we have right now, and everything in here is fully customizable. So if there's something you like or don't like, you can play with that later. Now, I have to say right away, I'm not liking this, but that's just my taste and thinking about the store that I'm going to be making in the upcoming lectures. Now, in order to change it back, we can see that we have Dawn right here. I'm gonna go to Actions, click on Publish, then click on Publish there again. And now we're gonna get our default theme back. I can just move over here, refresh this page, and now we're back to the default theme. So if you don't like what you downloaded, just move over to Actions, click on remove, and no harm done whatsoever. So once again, go into free themes and explore and see if there's anything you'd like. With that said, if this is the first time you're ever creating a Shopify store, go with the default theme that's currently selected for you, because it's gonna be much easier to follow my very steps so that you can just copy what I'm doing and build up your own store in exactly the same way. This is how we've given such good results to our students, so it's gonna be by far the easiest way. When you've built your store and gotten some experience, of course, go in and choose anything that you would like in here. Then you are gonna be the expert. And then we also have a Shopify theme store, and this is basically premium themes. If you wanna be really unique and stand out, you can buy a theme, because most of your, well, they don't have to be competitors, but other Shopify stores, they are probably not going to be spending money on buying a different themes. If you really wanna stick out with your look, you can go in here and buy any one of these themes. Now, they're currently hovering around $300 US, and I mean, the price has tripled over the years, but that's just because people are making more money with Shopify. Once you start getting a couple of sales, this is really not a big amount of money, and your own sales are gonna start paying these kind of things off. If you're a complete beginner, just ignore this part. We don't have to dive into it. But once you start, rolling in with the money, you started going with some serious profit, of course, look at this, see if there's anything you'd like, and if any of these themes might actually improve your own sales. With that said, I'm gonna close this down. I'm gonna make sure that the theme right now is set at Dawn, which is right here. And if yours is also set at Dawn, or whatever default that's in your screen, because they might change this name in, tomorrow and have a different default theme. As long as you're using the default theme, we're all good to go, and we're gonna move on to the next lecture and continue customizing our store. See you there.